Welcome to this peaceful space. This Kriya Yoga meditation is designed to help you release anxiety and reconnect with your inner calm. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Let your spine be straight but relaxed. Close your eyes gently. Let your hands rest naturally. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply, hold for a moment, exhale gently. Feel the body begin to soften. Now let your breath return to a natural rhythm, no effort, just observing. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine. This is your root, your energy. Ground yourself in this moment. Feel your body supported by earth beneath you, safe, present, held. Begin a gentle inner breath practice. Inhale slowly for count of 4, hold for count of 4, exhale for count of 6. Mentally prepare for this breath practice. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Hold. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Exhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6. Again, inhale for 4, on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Hold for 4, on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Exhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6. Relax. Mentally prepare for the last time. One more time again. Inhale on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Hold on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Exhale for 1, for 2, for 3, for 4, for 5, for 6. Relax. Relax, relax. Feel your energy begin to shift. Try not to change the pattern of the breath. Just stay as natural. Just observe. Now visualize a warm golden light at your spine. With each breath, it rises gently upward, bringing lightness and warmth. The light reaches your lower belly, softening tension. It rises to your chest. Open up your heart. As it flows upward, it clears away anxiety, anxious thoughts. It leaves peace in this place. Now silently repeat these affirmations. I am safe. I am supported. I am deeply grounded. I am safe. I am supported. I am deeply grounded. I am safe. I am supported. I am deeply grounded. I release the weight of stress. I welcome peace into my mind and body. Visualize now your spine glowing with the steady light, rooted at the base, rising upward like a quiet flame. With every breath, it moves freely, no resistance, just flow. Let's begin simple Kriya flow using the breath. Inhale, lift the energy from the base of your heart. Exhale, feel it expand outward. Again, inhale, draw in peace. Exhale, release tension. Now bring awareness to your heart center. Place one hand over your heart if that feels good. Feel warmth beneath your palm. This is your center of compassion and stillness. Repeat silently. I choose peace. I allow stillness. I trust my inner wisdom. I choose peace. I allow stillness. I trust my inner wisdom. You are exactly where you need to be. No pressure, no expectations. Let go of the need to fix or solve anything right now. Just be present with your breath. Let your breath carry you like a wave, flowing gently through the body. Visualize your body glowing gentle with soft and calm energy. Bring attention to your third eye, the space between your eyebrows, light and clear. Imagine a soft breeze passing through your mind, clearing clutter, leaving clarity. Now breathe slowly and repeat, I let go of control. I trust the process of life. Your nervous system is calming. Your thoughts are slowing. Everything you need is already within you. Inhale deeply into your belly. Exhale through the nose. When you inhale, your belly rises up like a balloon. When you exhale, your belly goes back into. Inhale again. Inhale deeply into the belly. Exhale through the nose. Inhale deeply. Exhale through the nose. Now feel your body completely relaxed from head to toe. There is a peace here. Notice your heartbeat. It beats in perfect rhythm. Trust it. Visualize now glowing circle of light around you, safe, protective, and still. Let it shield you from the outer chaos. This is your space of balance. Now silently repeat, I choose inner peace. I am no longer attached to fear. I choose inner peace. I am no longer attached to fear. Let this mantra echo softly into the background of your breath. Let it guide you. You are becoming more species inside, more open, more calm. You are becoming more spacious inside, more open, more calm. Inhale, free expansion. Exhale, feel the soft release. Let the breath be your healing force in every inhale, life. In every exhale, letting go. Inhale, life. Exhale, let it go. Now return awareness to your whole body. Notice how light it feels, how calm your mind is. You have entered deeper state of consciousness. Connection, you have come home yourself. Repeat, I am peace. I am whole. I am enough. I am peace. I am whole. I am enough. Let this truth settle into your heart. Feel your spine strong and your breath flowing free. Bring a gentle smile on your face. You are doing beautifully. There is no need to starve or push here. You are exactly where you need to be. Let your inner light continue to grow, soft and steady. Place both of your hands over your heart. Breathe gently. Silently say, thank you for breath. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for my awareness. Thank you for my body. Thank you for my mind. Thank you for today. Feel warmth and gratitude expand inside you. From this space, you can meet the day with more peace, more clarity, and more trust. Inhale calm. Exhale peace. Inhale calm. Exhale peace. Begin to slowly bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Feel your body supported. Feel your breath is alive. If your eyes are closed, open them gently. Let them light in. Carry this grounded energy with you today. It is yours. You created it. Take one last deep breath in and slowly controlled exhale. Thank you for practicing with me today. You have done something powerful for yourself. Until next time, stay grounded, stay peaceful. Namaste.